Hey guys, Jimmy Harris here, Bob Hook Chevrolet. I'm a sales consultant. I'm going to show you how to use the information center for the 2021 Chevy Silverado. So we're going to actually step inside the vehicle and we'll go from there. All right, so the main thing you're going to see, there's going to be 4 little buttons right here. There's also going to be a little round thing that you turn. These actually control the information center that's going to be on your dashboard. If you push the one on the left, it's going to bring the screen up, okay? So you're going to have a home button, which is actually going to show your speed and how many miles before you run out of gas. Okay, so if you go next to the step, it actually shows the information center. This is controlled by the center button here. All you do is kind of turn it, and it will change each one of the screens that you want to see. And it'll show things like your oil life, it's going to show your tire pressure, and it's going to show all kinds of different things. Your fuel range is also on there. If you continue, hit the right button, it's actually going to show your radio. And we're in demo mode, so I can't show you anything that's going to be on there, but we'll go forward. Navigation system, then it's going to show your cell phones, which you can actually pair to your vehicle and then go from there. All right, so the main thing that you want to know is that you can control all this just by hitting left, right, and then spinning the button however you want to do it. Again, my name is Jimmy Harris. Thank you for listening, and we'll go from there on the next time. Thanks a lot. Have a good day.